Capsule coffee or automatic espresso machines? Which one is better? It all depends on your lifestyle, preferences, and budget. With no extra knowledge, capsule coffee makers always produce great cups of coffee. For rushed mornings when you need coffee right away, they are fantastic. They are also compact and take up less space in your kitchen. Yet, for serious coffee connoisseurs, the only choice is an automatic espresso machine, as you can brew a coffee however you want. Anytime you want to try something new, you can experiment with different beans, roasts, and brewing techniques. So, choose the device that best meets your needs because both types have advantages and disadvantages, and let us know what you prefer. Cheers and get our healthy coffee break.